So now, so this is very, very important. This inside a formula, what are the formula you use? Please, very, very important. Okay, whether other what are the column you count is a text or number is very important. Okay, now you can use the match formula also. Last OI identification. There also whether referred column is a text or number is very important. Otherwise it will not work. Okay. Any questions?
So one question is, so when you create a chart, while naming the name manager, putting the name, say before that you said we'll insert a manual chart and then we'll select chart,
yes,
design and edit, right?
Yeah. So we'll go to the chart. You'll say select data.
Oh, select data.
Select the data. We have this. Okay.
Okay.
So,
No, while creating itself, while starting with the names, adding the names and all that. First step, right?
Yeah. So means like insert chart here.
Yeah, insert chart and then you go to design.
Okay, one second. Insert and I will first I need to
select a chart. Huh?
Yeah. Insert chart. Yes, it will.
Yeah. Then you go to design.
Yeah. Design. Select the data.
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Design and then select data.
Yeah.
So what I'm asking you is there used to be a column where it will ask you leave series name and series value. Where do you get that?
Here, edit.
Oh, okay. You need to click on edit, is it?
You need to select the these fields. Okay. Select the field, edit. Again, select the field, edit. Select the field, edit. Then here like only one column, right? So edit directly.
That is for the header, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Select field and edit.
Like this.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Good. Any questions? This is how we need to say suppose if you have dashboard dashboard when you prepare, when you go the client presentation, then you will say not 3 months, I want show me the 6 month chart. Just put 6, that's all. No need to 3 months chart, 3 months trend, 6 months trend, 1 year trend, not required. Only one chart. Tell the number. That's all. It will come automatically. Okay. Suppose I have a 3 months chart, right? Suppose here August, July, August, June, July, August. Suppose I get the September number here. Okay. Then minute when you give the September, automatically see September automatically taken here. Okay. So give the thing automatically September thing. Suppose when you go to October, okay. So because this, so change here 1/10/2020 automatically see August, September, October. So you don't need to change anything at all. It will come 3 months means automatically when data changes, chart will be ready for that data. That's how it will work. No need to change again and again based on the data. That's all. When you do the calculation, put the numbers here. Chart don't need at all. You don't need to, go to changes anything. Otherwise, what you need to do? Copy paste and again put the chart and all the thing format things, everything will do. So first, what you need to do here? Offset formula to build. dynamically. Put the offset from length and name range for all the fields. What are the, how many fields you want? Maybe 1 field, 2 fields, 3 fields, like that. Insert a chart, give the name ranges in the source, data source in the chart. That's all. Finish. Can you go? Can you move the next one? So we have done this chart for last X number of lines. Then once we know that, this is very easy. Okay. So what we can do here now, I need to prepare chart. So this is like a last numbers, a last number of lines. So one more sheet I can create. Start number of lines. Sometimes what happens, start. Sometimes what happens, my data will be, start data will be in the beginning, end data will be the last data will be in the end. So that time I need to get the start data will be start number of lines you need to take for the chart. Example, see here. So now August. Date, select -1. Like this. So 1st August, right? 1st August. So last, what is the month here? All that. So -1 month. So August means okay. July. Okay, anyway, it's stop there. Okay. Now start 3 months. I need to have the chart. Start 3 months. So what is the modification that we need to in the name ranges? Now offset. Offset start is this. Okay. Now so row movement, number of rows. Chart should require for this now. So start can be here or here. No, so I can say 1 always. Okay. Number of columns, no. Moment. Then height is this straight away. Very easy. Then width this. That's all. Okay. So this is very easy because from the beginning only 3 numbers. Like this. It'll take like this. Then this we need to put the name ranges and you can go that. But I want you to try today. Very easy. So we'll do that. Okay. If at all, if you have questions, we will do that tomorrow. Okay. Now, important point, date between dates. How can you give the chart for the between dates? So this this I will try it home. If I have any questions, we'll take it tomorrow. Okay, very easy one. Now, so I will start from the between the dates. Okay, so line chart between dates. Between date. Okay, so my I'll remove all the charts. Okay, this also. Now this also I need to change here because now no dates. Now start date. End date. Now suppose I need chart from 1/1/21 to so 1/3/2021. 3 months between 3 months chart I want like this. Where is the 1/1/2021? I'll take a normal date. 1/8/20. What is the date? 1/1/2020. So plus 1. This is the regular date we have. E date because month wise increasing. Okay. For 1st January to October. Okay. Now I want 1/1/2021 to. So this chart I want 1/1/2/13. How can I get the chart for this? Whenever change the date here, for that alone I need to get the chart. Okay, so what now? Having seen that start number of rows chart, end number of rows chart. How can you plan for the middle? What is the change we need to do in the formula? Can anyone tell me?
So we can include a match formula to match the start date and the end date.
Super. That's all. That's all. Okay. Very see that offset formula. See, logic is the simple logic. That's all. But see, start. Sorry, reference. Rows means match. We need to find out what is the row number here. Okay. Now columns no change. Height. What is the between this one this? This is the height. Then width. That's all. Now here we need to do the match formula for this. Now match formula you do. Lookup value is this. Okay. Now lookup array, can you tell me from where you need to select? Lookup array is what? Can you tell me lookup array is selection, range selection? Lookup array range selection, please tell me. You need to think and tell me. Think and tell me, no problem. If it's wrong also, no problem. Just to tell whatever in your mind will set right and understand. Then you can remember.
So we have to do a arithmetical adjustment there, right? Because you're selecting the whole column C, then it's going to give me a number starting from the first
Okay.
row.
Mm-hmm.
So do an arithmetic adjustment.
Very good.
I think
Yeah.
you'll have to do a -1 or
Okay.
you'll fix it. I think.
Yeah. So one is arithmetical adjustments. Suppose I don't want to give the arithmetical. Your answer is very good. Okay. If you don't want arithmetical adjustments, then from where you can select it? Tell me that also. I don't want arithmetical
C2
adjustment.
from C2.
C2, okay, like this, okay. Think, yeah, good. Then any other answer? Now, see, C2 is the offset start point. Means offset start count from here. Match count start point is 1. Match offset start point is 0. So will not match, right? Correct. Count number will not match for the offset and match. So offset and match, when this sync to the number, when offset is selection from here, match selection from here. Okay. Then no arithmetical adjustments, numbers will be synced automatically like this. This is the correct one. No arithmetical adjustment for the start point. When you select match from here, offset from here. For offset and match, one cell difference is there, should be there. Otherwise, you need to go do the arithmetical adjustment. To avoid arithmetical adjustments, where offset below that row or column, you need to select. That's all.
So can I ask you a question here?
Yeah.
So when we select like this, no, it will not become a dynamic, no, sir. What if we add new new columns? I mean, new data to the bottom. Does it capture automatically
Correct.
this
See,
selection?
start point. I say, suppose
Oh, we're starting from top. Okay.
Start point always will not change.
Yes. Got it, sir.
The question is correct. Suppose, what if my data changes? Can we do that? Say we can do that, but assume start point will never change anytime. Okay. So this is good. Okay. Now, so start point is come here now. Now, so then column we don't need to change. Now height, how can you do that height? No height is there. How can you do the height? What is the plan?
Again, a match formula, sir, for the end date.
Okay. How many matches we need to do?
2 matches. Minus.
Yeah, 2 matches we need to do. Okay. Now, I put control here. Suppose I put control saying that please don't do match formula for taking height. What is the plan for this? I will tell don't use match formula to get the height between the dates. Then what is your next plan? What you are going to do? Think all the angles you need to do that. Immediately should strike the calculations. That's all. See, basically, so I need to get the differences of this. Don't think only difference of this, right? Correct, na? So how can you get the difference of this? Basically, we need to get 3. How can you get 3 difference here? That 3 difference only we need to put this, that's all. Which formula will give 3? Considering arithmetical adjustments also. Yeah. That's a bit effort. Then which is the best option also we need to do. Everything. See, formula building is not important. How you need to get the data is important. Lot of things are there. Okay. These all the things we need to consider before building the chart report. Okay. I'll tell you everything because I saw like a lot of challenges in this. Okay, so one is a match. Okay, end date match minus start date match. That's Danny told. One more thing, the difference between the months. Okay, so difference between months when it's going to do date if we can do last date, start date. Okay, difference between this and this, how many months that you can do. Correct, plus one. Date if we'll get na this date if start date, end date, criteria is months plus one. That will give you
We
3.
get the count of months.
Huh?
We get the count of months there.
Yes, yes, correct. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll pause this now. Date if, then we'll also see the challenges. Okay, so a lot of things are there. Don't worry. Okay, but you need to learn. Keep in mind all of the things. Okay, just see here plus one. That's all. Okay, so 3 here. Whenever change here, automatically change here also. Otherwise, match this 0 minus match this plus what happened? Both are correct. So when I change the date, so 1/4/2021, so automatically will change from 1 to 4 will change. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Others? Not able to follow? I'll explain.
Yeah.
Madam, followed? Madam, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there. It's
Now, I'll ask you one thing. What is the challenge in this? What is the what you will foresee the challenges in this? Any problem in the future, or this will be okay?
so you're not fixing the.
No, I'll fix it. There is not a problem. Other than this, will this formula dynamically work in the future? Any challenges you foresee?
I'm looking.
Or I put conditions to the user. Any conditions you need to put to user. If you see challenges in the future, to go that you need to put conditions to the user, do's and don'ts.
Mhm.
Can you identify those things, if at all it is there? Or is so if like nothing's there, okay, you can say like no challenges in the future.
So one could be if someone deletes the start date and the end date, the column H and I, then that could affect.
Okay, so assume like this immediately I can put the start date and date. That's not a problem. This is a
Okay.
user. That's not a challenge in this. No challenge in this. Other than this. Suppose I am the user. You build automation for me. So I have some questions on this. I am expecting those questions from you before I ask. So that questions you put before building the finalizing the automation. That's what I'm looking for.
It would be like, are these, we are expecting any extra addition to the columns or something, sir?
No, it's same columns. The columns, don't worry, same columns.
Okay. Numbers would be there.
Because advanced Excel, these are the challenges. Force is very, very important. Otherwise, they'll come back again. Or your report also, you will see there are a lot of issues. Apart from logic, challenges, forcing the challenge is also important. See, user ask, you will do develop. That's not, your manager will ask, do it. But we need to, as a developer, we need to put some questions to user or manager or whoever.
Nothing coming to my mind, sir.
Okay, Danny, if you say nothing, then I'll tell. Otherwise,
It's just that it's not clicking, sir, probably.
click, 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 click. Important. No,
How about the start, sir? Will that change? It's like previous data. If they enter even that, we will get the result, no, sir?
no, already it's there. No, start date, end date. There's no problem in this.
Okay,
So-
you're asking with this,
Suppose-
what you have corrected.
Danny also told. So suppose what if they don't do this, delete. So you can suppose if they call you, you are in some location. You can put ensure start date and is there. Not. The overphone you can finish it. Okay. So there's no wrong in this. But the challenges are forcing. Suppose if this challenges come, we need to change the logic here. We need to change the logic here, or put another 10 minutes. We'll close this. Okay. Danny, anything, Kanta?
So match range, is it? Would that be a problem that
No,
we foresee?
match range. You can extend instead of
Fine. Okay.
put 50 now only. No problem. Because we'll check from the start point. So
All right.
so I can put 50 here now itself. That's no problem. Because I selected only this, no issue on that. This will keep provision. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. Kanta, anything in your mind?
Not getting, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. See, you get the result here. Okay, we saw the result here. We'll get the chart also, correct? As of now, You agree like 4 months, right? Suppose 4 months, no? Agree? Height is 4, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So imagine due to Corona, March month, third wave, March data is not there.
Okay.
March data is not there. Okay. Straight away April data. Now, what is the height? We'll get here. Say date diff is wrong. Correct. If I had used the data diff in the name range, so my months here like giving in the height is incorrect. Correct now. So date if when you give it will wrong, it will show the wrong number. Height is 4. Height is 4 means here for the data here April to January to May. But whereas I want chart only January to March, April. But here like January it will come because of this. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Agree. This is the for seeing. You need to tell user date sequence should be correct. If at all, if you no data, please add the data and put 0. Then both the formula is correct. This is a point we need to put back to user or manager, whoever asks for the automation. Ensure that date should be consecutive. Even though data is not there for the particular month or day, ensure put that 0. Should not be disconnect. Okay, this is the one point. Please make sure when you put the dynamic data chart. Very, very important. Okay, you got it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, you can middle also you can see the chart. So I'll give the homework for these two. One is like one homework for this one. Start right. Start number of rows chart and the middle number of rows chart. Okay, these two will try. Suppose if you don't get, we'll see them later. Then we'll give this. Suppose you have the target. So meeting target 1 bar, green color example. So which are not meeting, that should be red. Okay, those this we'll see tomorrow. Okay, suppose target meeting. So below target red should get, or meeting green should come. That will see tomorrow. Okay, but
Yes.
I want you to try this to homework one, start one and middle one. Otherwise, everything same. Name manager, everything same. Okay, so you try to think and build this too. Homeworks very, very important. Okay, otherwise very, very easy. Okay, dynamic chart.
You'll share this file, sir?
Yeah, I'll send right now.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, madam.
sir, now here you have put the date in the sequence, no, sir.
Yes.
Mine it would be weekly. So irrespective of that, this will work, no, sir.
Yeah,
Or will make any changes.
As long as the date is sequence, we can also put week dates. That's all.
No,
Otherwise,
it's like 8 is 1, and next it will come 8, then it will go to 15. So the date will be weekly. So how does
Yeah.
that work, sir?
Yeah, change the start date and end date. That's all. Otherwise, you
Okay,
can.
so in the
Otherwise,
Uh-huh.
you do one thing. Suppose here, suppose date. So what you can see here? This is the month, right? So date. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So number of months 3. So automatically, so here you need to -1. Okay. Yeah, it like the it is like this. No, -1 means one day it will come. So date. So this -1. So like this, it will come. So whenever you change like 6 months, automatically 6 months will come. Based on in your case, put the date, week, right? So here,
Yes, sir.
here. So automatically it come now 7 days. See here,
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
-1.
Okay,
So
sir.
these are the dates automatically change. Between these, week chart will come.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Whether like
So I'll try doing my thing and I'll share it with you, sir.
yeah. Please, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank
So
you, sir.
all the logics think. That's why you need to think. Okay. Whatever the way you use or ask, definitely you can do that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Arrive at thing.
Anand, last
Yeah.
week text dynamic I tried, Anand, we didn't get. I don't know if anybody got it. The
Sorry, Kanta.
you gave the homework no last week.
The
The Sunday, Monday dynamic.
Yeah, you get that right.
I didn't get. Anand. I tried text formula and all. I didn't get that sequence.
Again, you try.
I only got for a totals. I sent it. So,
Okay. So again, you try. Okay. Like this.
okay.
Because see, the more you think, you get. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot get. So
I use text formula and all.
think logic, think. So
Okay.
because see, this is a new scenario when I came across building the formulas. When you suppose if you get answer no, this weekend you will go with the girlfriends in sleep. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, you think. You get, see, this will make you
You got answer from anyone, Anand?
No, don't worry.